Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.